this is the part where I disconnect the sink faucet connection from the water connection. And then in order to remove the faucet, there are a couple of screws that you need to loosen at the bottom. So I just use an adjustable, a small adjustable wrench, and then as soon as you got that loosened, you'll be able to pull it out. You can either throw it away or you can recycle it. And this is my old vanity that I'm going to remove as well. I know that there's an easier way to remove it. You can hammer it away, but I wanted to make it easier for me as much as possible. So I unscrewed all the drawer attachments. Took the drawers first and then unscrewed it all. And then there are screws to the cabinet as well. So to dismantle the cabinet, you will have to unscrew. So the sink top, the vanity top, is really heavy, so I had to have help on that one. It's really, really heavy, and as soon as we had that out, I continued to unscrew all the parts that were still screwed on the wall. And if you notice, I left my faucet connection on and the pipe connection, the plumbing connection as well, because I will need that. I have to have a temporary sink while I'm doing this, so I know it's gonna take longer. So, and this is the picture that I took before I took the base. The base is a little heavy as well, so again, I had to do it one at a time. You unscrew the attachments on the wall and whatever is screwed, so it's easier for me to bring it out one at a time. It's tedious, but it's easier. It's less heavy, and I'm the only one doing it. So unless it's really heavy, then I get help. That's what it looks like as soon as the top is removed. I am just taking pictures for recordings, but I do have, this is my old vanity sink, and then the mirror I would have to remove. So as soon as all the attachments with the base were loosened, I was able to take it out easily. And this is what you see is what's inside that old vanity cabinet. You can see that it has discolored and it needs to be cleaned up. So I am continuing to remove the loose tiles that were actually under the cabinet. Cleaned it up, getting it prepped for the new tile that I will install. Here are some pictures of what the room has become after removing all the tiled areas. Made sure I cleaned up, took all the dust. I also purchased a vacuum, a dry and wet vacuum, so I was able to vacuum the sides to make sure that all is clean. And then I will just have to scrape all the extra cement on the floor.